In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes on Udemy. Whether you're new to Udemy or a seasoned learner, being able to jot down notes effectively while watching a course can significantly enhance your understanding and retention of the material. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be any browser you regularly use, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type in Udemy and hit Enter. This will take you to the Udemy homepage where you can log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up. It's a great platform with a plethora of courses available. Once you've reached the homepage, it's time to log in. Look for the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. You can enter your email and password or use single sign-on if your account supports it. Single sign-on is super convenient as it allows you to log in seamlessly with another account like Google or Facebook if you've set it up that way. After logging in, you're all set to start learning. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open your pending course. You'll usually find your course list in your dashboard or your personal library. Choose the course you're currently working on. This will take you to the course page where each module and lesson is laid out for you. It's organized in a user-friendly manner to help you easily resume right where you left off. As you start watching your lecture, you may notice that there are various tabs and sections on the page. One particularly useful feature that Udemy offers is the ability to take notes directly alongside your course. Scroll down a little until you find the Notes tab. It might be nestled between other tabs like Course Content or Q&A, so keep an eye out for it. Once you've clicked on the Notes tab, you'll see that you can now add notes by the second of the lecture. This is a powerful feature, allowing you to timestamp your notes. As you jot down key points, summaries, or questions, each note will be linked to the exact second in the video you took it. This makes reviewing your notes incredibly efficient because you can click on your note later and jump right back to that moment in the lecture. And there you have it, an easy way to take notes on Udemy as you study. Taking effective notes not only helps you digest course content, but also serves as a valuable resource to revisit and refresh your memory. Dive into your courses, experiment with the Notes feature, and enhance your learning journey on Udemy today. Happy learning!